Theological College, Ukhrul, Kakatumali, Kura Luingam Luitui, founder and first Secretary General, Asia Indigenous Peoples PAC. Chair laga issue ari mangalik issue aram Mr. Daniel Ramsam advocate anala mangarika pamka khimiro Kanugli pamda clay pinginala mangali chipui laga mangay na chipui ta seda request ha laya raping le issue our program he zatwa pai me khwai yaro nanganinga da nakawi national anthem ili parasanga hai ngaleli hi yaro nanganinga da he withili issue opening prayer he Pastor Ephraim Shaiza Pastor Pungyo Baptist Church Wino Bazarli and Hokpok Siara Samirano
Singamia Kringa Brobra, when I to Mauri Mata Dam Kamiwang, the leaning Shimidley. Aju Madamidarani, Idamui Legacy along now, how to green go hina. Shock the clay or choti. Serving Kala Yuli Legacia. So now being in a Omrak me Tanak me Wang Medini Sherry. What Psychora Damgawai than the week territory hungry. Semgaga Dumley, Sakaya Dumley. For Gahaya Adamgawai, Nomuikuya Damgawai. Lingasanga Damgawai, Purgushoka Damwai. Ajukiwa Damgregina Naitomi. Mujuking Sagda Sakra Kaya Damiri Nana Kamata Dam Kamiwang Narini Sherry Seminary Nana Rangarum Mida Nana Itomni Sang Sakangaji Mujuk Shok Shop Kawai Ojabi Naitomni Damishap Kawai No Sok Migdashumiro Itomavri Noi Mangrawi Yurkami Dashum Mikwai Itomling Dunkamia Proj Christo Mini Siasadakpone. Amen.
Pastor Lining Shilagare Ariatami introductory note issue Kyashi Kangia Ocha Home Raikan IRS retired and historian Gala How to Green President Anatam Hirapu Miran.
Razang the clapping, psychorally, how to green we welcome, salam, kala, piagashi, middle. Yamaisa. Issue program he program change the confusion clear you quickly, China map samilo. Remake up the ina introduce ha ngai he ishi ukru wi DC kengu zuringla a he what lei da hi itumi ngchai ri mazang thura kha ana DRDA hi ngchon mira da ana shok mi ne chui tung di staff zangai re chauki re khazangai re makni ning re zangsarai re chai ne hi itumi wang ting pha khane chui tung ri arui phone aina ka phawa tam ri ana khanga mic system hi ra ana kong re jai ana shop phaisa shok re jai re jai na arui chara ana sara phaisa shok mi re jai re te hi ting pha dui ne al government service sa sai jil how to green remember ra ne jai na ri bang premises. Thank you. Mi mag thai mi bing le ke shiga ke chat sada in hangau ge. How to green hi 2019 li hau phok ne. Jai ni shi journal ke piece journal hiri thada ke phag shi reisang khwai makhni nin ji ke pi pai ke piece da ke pi taru re ke pi de latest edition hi December hiri shok vai sar article ka thum sambhangai re chiri poem da rather poem sangai re issue wi how to green ri achura poem sanghwai ak sadre makhni ning ji khangran sadre khapa miro ishi tangkhul wi ka da habit jil how to green copy hi 200 rupees side hoksa khlon kana me de phning thuyawe khaji chain sar ga denau teu de zame hak me de phning me ji kha phara de phning he ji ya ga hangai ji ena ga khne ri ga khamte ri jilli issue wi seminar li member kai kai na hangsang seminar pa mouse da jani shi meeting ta pam ga seminar pa mouse da ta khai na jai na subject achu wi subject mi khai hi rule of law hi ran khai ne jai ni hiri rule of law ma tu mi ji hiri ashang yang ya doctor ngatar ri wa nau jai na chu thiri luingam lui thui ashi speaker ku thum le ai re jai ni hi sai ko ru chu khum chu ran ga mi hi ishi ocha Samuel risom na Gran Hamine, Jane he ari ning shirage, au wang na bangkok pemise. Jiri ina sorry ina nota kayak zangai re concluding remarks re ishi Daniel Ramsam senior Sarah Kai advocate sang dere ana ngrum sang mi ana advice sang mi rega ana concluding remarks mi runo. Jai hiri subject है इन मतुई खवाई में ले इमने हिरी मतुई मी बिंग न मतुई रे जै न खंगनार मंग नारंग आथुन खिहांग में निखर के जी ख इन संपता इन as a layman इन थई खुय आरु हन खोन शोक तक ले ही आतम चारा का इन खोन शोक तक ले आउ द Armed Forces Special Powers Act ही इशी मतुई मी बिंग न chui maram kham tui sangra da phning ai ra jai ne yu ga phning ri ingui le pai ta da lawyer ma sa thu dam thai thu da kha yu ga phning ri hi discriminatory act na da phning ai wa discriminate not only discriminatory itum bing ri sa jang sa ka da chui akai na khui de yu ka je khwang kha ji kha it is applicable only in Northeast India. Violence ka shock ai the Northeast ri thaur ji ne violence ka shock je UP le shock hai khangdai de apam le shock re Jammu Kashmir le shock hai ada hi shock sar de kha I thum mang ri afsa hi applicable sar ji je mum shung ne jai ne hi ra chung chung hi ye ishi hau chuk rin na ra hi chung chu ra 个比较个拜这个比较个人么上讲我你个检推出了，可 issue with constitution with article 13, 14 he says the by the opening even. China he the Kajumjumi the advice make by at section 14 the equality before law. We are not equal, not these people are not equal before Indian law system. Ji sakrak hai tu ne ji. The ji itum bingri you join the Union of India, you become part of the Union of India. That law AFSA should not be only applicable to us, it should be applicable to all the countries, states of India. The Peningwe he, Tada he, Shamraga in Kahangmane, are issue Atamra moderator being Atam Kachaji, Pakuiraga, issue speaker being doing Sagruno. Yain speaker speaker na kupkreuda question hour later. Next speaker na kupkreuda question hour later. Third speaker we kupkhai with his question hour later. Yain na kupsang khai with his general question hour later. Ju thiri last issue ocha 10 ramsam na kupsang mira ning shiaire. Thank you.
In addition to what he have said, Ari how to green which in a continuous actually how to green he mapung phala ka registered society organization na khane actually members being hila high profile officers, retired officers being ne actually journal ilaga pasam phangai re actually journal he article Ari itungwe ka pungli current issues ngalai wi matangli forest wi matangli jera itungwe tangkhul tui he Saklaga in the later to Kanu topping with Vanga, Ashina article Matalaga in the English and translate Saraga Tanku to with Uncle to Mayek, Kui Matangli La Traka, Ishogaile, Jeda Kopiji Ajiva Vilmasadle, the condition long now being our society being a Ninjanka, she executive or members being context Hamilo or Maninka Ashinala, Nishina long now the demands Haka provide. Sami paire gije da hangai dale mathala ka article ji itumuivang society as an individual as a naga itumle aware sang sak bai or issue mapaning khwa or mapaning warar le da question on questions of law on questions of right tara kha muchukhing sa kaya issue article ji par laga quality le la khai article journal la khane jena katong li pang sangai je hangai ara issue ajuwe ngaping room hi seminar hi hapokvai resource person kharesada senior advocate ashang yang ya le atami dale chuithili minute thara question round awi topically related topically question hanmilo ji hanga ya really hangai dale tangkhul tuena iram tu imaram tuena sagne jana kathrin le lakla taut khle Katong haji had the Hangshok Milo, Ari current issue Manipurli and then situation he irang kiosk taser dele government one land, one policy, one law we implement sakvai traka sadale central nalaya. Jeda itumli effect sakvai land right runo, forest right runo, itumi own right li traka sazagidale like a puna hasada tribal hasada naga hasada jeda nusum society long now we can answer Doubts natung tanda clearly question raka natumla machukta lereya doubts rajan aji prominent salakai resource person being clarify samilo ji atam opportunity khurga nghan kui say thar kui say ji hang sangai issue resource person ochali atam midale
They make up the organizing committee, in particular, how to green the Ningxie. Ikata opportunity, pre-raise some bangda the Mumachuk Samani. Ka Atomnara, iri other Paningong Mida, Ikata we platform quick and Sakwang, Atom de make up the Ningxi, a jonka Hong Shok the Ray. Kara itum. We ka sa va vri fra mu chuk shok khang sa ka chi ri ning ki shi Hong Shoki. Actually, seminar he we topic he rule of law. If we topic particular topic hina with reference to constitutional and legal perspective kajini. Rule of law kaji was sarak. Kada agsong hang say jika still ajura song the controversial tada atomwe tingle sping na scoral bing na ijijawi approach ji tada hinam sung mai the critics sa hang rok ra kajung kadi jiwi wangai na ajawa research scholar akana present sa si gje mapung pa mai khal ka aju ina itum sai korwe majuk khawai tui bam haigi gjiwa ina 27 years advocate agasata GD experience sambang kahai Gina main saur academic wishong tata mawamre Jena itum bana ara jishongji gesangam wase iwi particular kika reference topic chimatarang daka ina khare saugi da ina introduction we mongai na kiri rule of law hokra gaji ka tiuka ina yi mai khai ngai rule of law gaji kika mening ni ka itu mui tu ya ina hang du ji ka ayan na khamung ayan na rule ka sa law na hina hak mai ka pe chui mai ka pe supremacy of law kajini ka hiwi seven features ping hi kachung khali ji matang di tasi concept of rules of law hi kachiwi di how po kra je na etum na laidik payang daga hi achar ka ancient civilization such as Greek civilization Roman civilization hiwi concept hi Adam Jitranwe philosopher bing thinker bing na concept hi hopo kai ni kiwangai na hopo ka kitrgal le de him juk sok po ka je kha Adam Jitranwa aung bing hi grown bing aung kara ungwu bing hi a thumui di pijar sa khabai akram re thu chi Atomoi power hi unlimited unrestrained power hi misa thangai la sa daure an a source of law ang sa an kahang dong ji ayin nei jaw kra implement an sa katong kra jiwi bijal an sa jaw gida jiwi di awi tung di ki kana control ka samare mada arbitrary tada ning khanai na limit mengabara tada mungbam kaini ji public bing na yaroi bing na kara thaidang khamai bing na je ai jam sa pai mrasi tada ung nau bing di da lui khbanau bing di da ngarai gja ayen he le brung da si ji sa kai khai ya makan gai bing ji da ayen ji we athi shu da Pijar sa phung de kachiwe concept chena Greek civilization je ka Protorong Aristotle long itumna shaching gai ni philosopher ping china chiwe idea je ho bok kai ni chiwe idea ho bok je na thada mathang ra ga England je ka Magna Carta we athomai agreement ung nawai ne yaroi we kara kangadei we di itum we di France Revolution American Revolution hikatha bing hina ai rural bing awung bing dira kaji katha ka na kharap phung re kaji we idea hi koi shok raga medieval predatory social contract theory we proponent bing hina He being in a rule of law, Gaji, Asaki, 个比这个 advocate 啥这个he we 这个回答不开呢。现在 rule of law he 去个这个我对的 rule of law 个是he we like former Roman family. He was principle or doctrine. Itu mana Christian doctrine kejidah ada jang. Law with doctrine akan ni, rule of law. Ka rule of law ni with doctrine ni ketada oku tu ini si jin kerja ka. Ijija si with constitution law jadi he with principle he incorporate saraga sangdaga practice kesani. Yena rule of law we meaning he kecungka I mahang bagai meramba jiwi di ai hine gaji he critics da kikra da kecungka ye ka awi basic feature ba kikra jeka he kata prominence ada kena rule of law he embrace unsau jeka itu mai administrative law he unjang kejaina. Jika kita control saja, hari we rule of law being we essence or we features being absence of arbitrariness, unless train power sikacin kita. Kara ji government aina jiwi luicum nau bing, luicum nau aina luicum nau. Ketong ada applicable ke sana, kerana mijang minai ke kai, favor ke sah miak kari, jika amak kari, kerana discrimination akana yang ketiu kahai, cibat kahai, jika amak kari, corruption mak kari, kerana transparency, सरकार खमुंग लिंदरी transparency and accountability he kahai kara equality before law kara equal protection of law arang isiwi kira na waja na hangai de adang asama tiu matang ta sak vaisa sei China katong hi awungai na habok raga lui kwa nau awungai na habok raga shi ka shi mi khanga biu ping ra president na habok raga lawmakers itu mudi parliament ka MLA ka legislature executive ra law enforcing authority police ra kara individual citizen being ra katong he athumoi otsagoi atishuda katong he subject to due process of law sini jena sadakre katong he iron law we atishuda sat phongda the sadakre ji principle of rules of law ni ara shumai the sauce ara itomoi with reference to constitutional jitaiga matara kai nanganai makeup keje itomoi India we constitution jos India we constitution ba khriang daran rule of law gachi we tuihi masampang mani jitaiga ka rule of law we principle hi India we adopt masamra the question ga satharan sai kari sai fundamental rights. Article 12 to 35 ka thak rai horza kaima bani no today kara directive principle of state policy lang maida itomoy fundamental duties of citizen itom na aju thai da khre hi fundamental rights mang ka thai thai itum di India we constitution di loijom nawa ka citizen na kana anasa brongi gi million brongi gi fundamental duties ji itum ji ja kham ba thu de ji 이tum na citizen being na kisaran kara gaji imtaira. Itum we rights arwe fundamental rights violate kasa or jiri jisangai gaji jishongji jongdagai tegai ni. Jaina India we constitution hiri separation of power, executive, legislature, judiciary. He kikra jaga separation of powers itum katong na thai tak ne check and balance. Policy rehabilitation, execution, implementation, sada kray, transaction sada kray di, tada check and balance. He principle of rule of law we akayakni. Ki wangra jaka legislature na we law kshemui. Pengshep powal le yaugida ana law shem babhag kapai muning mani. Ana law shem babhag law ji shem shokai sarara. India we constitution de miaida khreya fundamental rights daira kaina. Jiping jidi conflict sa kreuda, ji ung sa kai kreuda, jikata roji, kodri varga, challenge kasari naren void, mamusum manida, invalidate samyo. Jaina jitata check kasani. Executive na atumwe power, atumwe government policy execution, implementation, or government we business he kasa atam atum ne execute kasa atam di atum na mimai yang daga corruption sa daga or khangatai dei atum we kushiyai na atum we kapning ji ning jang jang je na whimsical sara kai na jang sa ba bai ka kibana jack sara legislature na musabai ji judiciary na sagi chini China separation of power he important saraki he we idea he rule of law we concept kara jiwi akhane the in the khang ara itum na atang ojan ra banaura Article 14 Constitution we Article 14 kaba adam de equality before law and equal protection of law. Jihai aga ka tong hi ngarai jada sagi jidrahi. Itu we context India we context ara aung gaji himang vam nei ka Brestian hina chui mai kap gaja citizen bing we ngajai di kre mission kre citizen ji ani the kui jaina Brestian ai na thui ga lui khaba nau shei ga shuna wai na ta shung da ayen jeng rai gaja ayen ji we ati tu shul da zatra protection ji da our Otpam Joyawe, our President, Chief Minister, Prime Minister, Jaugi, Iron Lidex, Masamre. Ka Article 14 na key recognize Sagra, Jika, Chiri classification, Aka recognize Saudi. Legal term, indivisible differentia hoy jena jiwi principle jina kikra jika equal should be treated equally unequal should be treated differently kajini jena idum na jiri confusion sa hwai mrem ni ki wangkra jaka ina itum wi ngai mi kup kaje SC at ST we quota itum na enjoy sa da kre ji jikata we na da classification sa ra go khui shok ni ki we bang object akhle dre SC ST being he socially, economically, educationally backward Saugida Atumbi Pusap Kanka Hawaii Atumbi Chuikang Sak Hawaii Wang from time to time Ji Ngakaikangai no Kushok Ruga Jikata classification Kasahi permissible Sai Kajini. Jena Itumna Article 14 Kapa Atambi Katong he Jigata Kamre Rangarai Chada Satunga Gaji Maremani India Constitution Widi. Kakanya Kana Itumwe rules of law Nganaida Kahaji Kikra Jika fundamental rights being we late Jiri later Krea provision Katong he Nganaida Kak Unganai Kamairu here Kikra Jika Article 21. Article 21 he right to life with dignity, human dignity. Jaina right to liberty. Jaina dada itom hi mikamo agasata lingda kare we right si kikra jaka. Tata mai a ling vai mang, I ling vai mang ka jim nim ni. Ka mi ka mo a ka wei dignity ji sing kang da ka ok thui ka vai ji sami da kare. Ara Article 21 hiri ki sang au kra je ka itum mi ka mo a ka wei physical existence ji mang di ka hang maning tu. Itum ka tam ka shuri je ka ara right to compulsory education from 6 years to 14 years. He compulsory education sara gaji he fundamental rights. Sa kaini. Jaina itumwiri itumwe pasarin dira itumwe medical facilities si haimi prungra gaji kara masimasa unpolluted environment he sampang brungda kara terumang kabai he drinking water he sampang nasak brungda he being he katonga kodna interpret saman mannaga he fundamental rights unwan se jaina chiri vai ka chiri 22 dai ka right to speedy trial criminal wishong vai gajang speedy trial na na orgachigata avanawa kana criminal offense commit sau gida ari padop chimbi indefinitely manarai pai mare ji awi speedy trial hi awi mi kamo awi mashunni gajini ji na itu mo hi fundamental rights aga side Jaina itumwe human dignity or kang day with a aramasar loituina hand made the Tesara and a Gajunga and a Sagi. Jaina Jita Sai India we constitution hiri rule of law hina nada Pakru aka Pekpon aka Saraga constitution he Shem Gashok nay Constitution hiwena ngatay the substantive law, procedural law, chikta hi kachungri. Chirirang da ito medi matay da kaya. Ayan na ida law na ida lay down masasala. Fundamental rights na ida recognize sa kaya jikikre jiga. Opportunity of being heard. Opportunity of being heard. Yang? He itu may legal term there principle of natural justice hoy. Opportunity of being heard he kiwangkra jega no one should be condemned unheard kajini. Miki pagri nang yada united awi morkon or awi akwan or awi ngahan kaka mashara morkon mashara jauli. Nguyere the condemn Masabai Gajini. For example, in a Arawi, Chiwi Matangi, example ไปรักก็ให้ example อากาศเสียสักอินเดียวีเป็นโลวีอาจิงดีมีสักเถิดปิงจีเดียใกล้คดีเอาไว้อดสักกระ offense ก็มีสัตว์กระยาเอาไว้นิ่งจุกนิ่งยุยจีวีอาทิชุด life imprisonment มีรินไปเดอพอตปรินนร์ไกด์ punishment กับไปใกล้คดีว่าแห่งสักไกด์แห่งตุเตะก็จีรังกับไปจริงกับไปเราโอเคไปก็อินาหังไงบ้าง opportunity of being held ตัวมาตั้งดีอินาหังไงบ้างอีทุกมวยคนเลยฮิดีช่องฟูฮิดีก็จริงถ้ายารวันน่ากันนะเอาเองสดน่ากันที่นี่มีอาการเงินสาแต่ใครให้หนูตัวเงินชุนชงใส่เด็กก็ต้องนะที่ยารวันนั่นที่ก็ตัวละที่เอาไว้บางทีใครสิ่งเด็กก็อาชีพก็ได้ละที่จิตเอากีดา witness ก็จุงขระยัยได้ eye witness ก็จุงขระยัยได้เจ้ากีดา due process of law วิชงจ้าจีบก็ถ้าก็ได้เจ้าก็น่าอาริสัตย์ได้น่าดีแห่งสาวร์มันจีไปมันนี่ก็จีนี่บ้างตุคุยไปอาริตุคุยเรื่อง investigation สาระก็อาริ charge sheet file สาระ charge frame สาระแล้วก็อาริงหันกี่จีนารีฮิตาเดอ charge มีสักถ้าดู frame สาระน่ะไม่อยากมันไม่อยากมันไม่อยากมันนี่จีก็คิววางไงมันไม่อยากมันน่ะหังแต่อาริสร้างสกีจีตรังเจ้าหน้าอินกังบ้าบ้า due process of law ฮิมเรดามีขี้ป้างคดี opportunity of being heard ฮิมเรดามีขี้ป้างคดีกันเต็มซาไปก็ช่องมรังไปตันดีมันมีไปฮีrule of law วิมาจากอะไรนี่เจ้าหน้าอินาหังอุระ rule of law ฮีกรี applicable สักระเจ้าก็ rule of law ฮีก็จังกัดฮีดีเลยจังตะใคร principle ฮี based on morality เฮ้จังgovernment สกัดอาคุย policy อาคุยpolicy decision or set up ใส่ก็เรื่อง based on morality ก็พาจากกษีอีทุมน่ะ moral science ก็ทำท่าแต่ morality นั่นเองเจ้าหน้าอาว่าอินอาทัง rule of law เฮีย law with doctrine นี่ law with principle นี่law with philosophy นี่เจนี่บ้าเจ้าหน้าโอ้ก็ตัวนี้ rule of law ฮีบิงฮีดี rule of law ฮีตาจะสารก็ฮีดีจะตรุกก็จีมังบ้าก็จีวี principle เฮียอะไรคุยเสียจีได้แล้วก็ law ก็เชื่อมก็ต้องฮี rule of law นั่นไม่ยากนะแต่ question อะไรข้างหน้าดำดี for example อีทุ่งเรื่องอะไรไม่ได้สามนี่อะไรก็จงกระทำไม่ได้ dictator อะไรนะอาเอาไว้สกัดจีดีท่านเด็กอาณา law formal law อะไรin X ซะไปคุยชกไปก็จีคุยชกเด็กเรื่อง human rights violate มาสักเรื่องก็ยารุยพิง subject พิงดีก็ท่าจะ treat สารีก็ก็จีวี measurement จีวีพิจารณ์จีวีเงยหิวยังกับไปฮี principle of rule of law นี่ principle of rule of law ฮีดี conflict ก็สักก็ต้องฮี rule of law เสียดีไม่จีไปนี่เจ้าหน้าอีทุ่มวิธีจีก็ท่าจะไม่ได้ทุเรศก็อีทุ่มวิอินเดียวิ constitution เด้จีท่าจะเลยด้วยเจ้าหน้า constitution จีละฮีดี house อะไรอีทุ่มวิชิมดีตั้งคุลลงอีทุ่มวิชิมดีองค์กบิวขยังทรานอีทุ่มวิตั้งคุลวิเลียนเชียนจิกังยันเล็ดยันซาเฟรมไซด์เชื่อไหมก็ต้องฮี rules of law วิ principally จูนาตรีระมันนี่ก็คือเฮียงตีตรีก็จีฮีอีทุ่มขมุจุกตระการใส่ Jena itumwe custom, traditional, cultural, katong hi itumwe tangkului context ri hang ru jika lien ja okay lien ji ngatai de le ai de lien hin a source of law ne power ne je mai ai de ka sian ji kan ta ka pa thran hi itumwe customary we law ka thani Jena sian ji kan ka to ri sangmi ka hai ka tong hi itumwe local ti enforce pai ka ma pai ma ka ji hi itum thukra kai na ka mujuk terkar sai dei to koi masa ka pai de ina ka thei ha ka masa ka pai de jang tre jibing ji preserve masa se ke ji mning ni sa se ka hai ran apam ji de hai aus itumwe history krajana ka sa da preserve sas ka itumwe local ti enforce sa ka pai ya pingji kapang shock raga ji etop sau sai mari sa thura khang dei wi ra porot sa raga etop sa hi kam ka ki wang ra ji ka tong ai hui khrin wa justice hi ka tha da effectively delivered sa raga ga ji mai lo wi khrin hi ba yang jena itumwe mai tang ko long wi hi ka bi shock ai re ka ka chung khang rom sang ka bai da le tre da khui ka chung kha khu shok ka bai da chang sa re ji ara itum na pi ga ash le ai da ka pi ga hain da sa bai da thau ru da ji da da neglect ma sa ai si maram ba ji defective sa khriu da nari iri aju maning la akham ong sa su re nawi shim ko li sa su re itum cycle li sa su gi Jena jira in a challenging Sarakahaya Ishua Kaegi, Natumka Tongaji in a Hankangaini. Jena Arama sang Nahai Hangaiga either confused Saura, Natumra confused Saura. Jena Iwi topic he, rules of law with reference to constitutional and legal perspective ji chiring sam sauki big stories
oja lining shila kai re oja he are tangkhul mang maning lai thumui tribal bingwe wang second designated high court with designated senior advocate ne ya ithumui tangkhul wang wa mai kala khai ring phala khai akhane jika tangkhul Manipurli lawyer advocate traha practice kasale la designated kaji he tangla ke so he is the only first na senior advocate resang shasar le bashum and then are oja ashang hina second tangkhul maning la nagali second designated senior advocate of high court Ariri government advocate ne Ariri he Manipurli high court li designated government advocate he tangkhul na kuthumang le and then not just tangkhul tribal line yangkhala kuthumang ne oja lining shla kai re are itumwe 10 minutes he on what he have said constitutional and legal perspective we groundly and share sa hai jili yarina question or khangte doubts kathale or taikui ngai le or nothumna how and where do we apply rule of law in running the society long now he nathumui chui truaina la chui perspective aina la han mi lo question han mi lo je hangai 10 minutes
Kamang angai thulai de ka thalai na ga marai khai cha tha kai hang sang au itumri aroi paning sara kahaya issue ki kra jeka mob justice kara aroi we mob trial jinika ada jang jaina aroi itumwe mob justice kji yaroi gotong shokraga INGD pangli singraga due process of law jidi respect honor masara bijal sakai hi shok salaki honda issue wi tangkhu wi ere chungra kai na shok pawram san phang nei ka imphal ga thare he tada thang gi jida wi mongai ni shokai ka da gra jiga miya khana legai ji wi shina wi aroi khaya shiman mi hai re ji kha legai ji wi mera bai pi no khang te jang daga shimba paita mi aura offense commit sa da khaya accuse mangri maning da shimgul ga dong ri ka shamaura maning ga mob lynching yaroi na shokra ga katang da taura hikata hi danger saraki ito muirira jiri ngaruida khang ngaruida kara ngaruida kai na shokai re ajon dangjang ke shok nei hongpo mai na hongpun pa siwi land dispute to ena kara na ke shok nei da sai okay dispute ke sa ja dispute ke sa nei jiwi settle sa ga bai wi forum ma ka le dre jiri sang roknu ka jimning ra yaroi ga dong shok ra segai nga ha sing daga khutai sing daga sa ji thei ngrokra da lai wi mongai na ga shokhi hi ning shel gi ji individual will shok pai organization will shok pai association will shok pai khuai na khu shok pai jaina hi chung he itum hi ara phal shil civilized society di shirok khoi daga ogthui hi di phaikal lum daga satta khre nei hi gda ya mu shok sak prong ge ji
Koshina kung ano kay Ari inang han kung baba mob justice maraming ka 지금 아직 이제 first car 인 알고 봐봐 땅굴롱이 로우 땅이 현지 가는 땅이 땅굴롱이 현지 가니 codify 사래 그 to what extent 다라가이나 codify 사지 I'm not the judge of that 그 justice with delivery 아담레바 I think it is lacking the observation 아카니 그 그네리 very archaic practice thoroughly immersion sarga pijarsa chena nglei mangra shaing sakra hi ka jen khada kyawangre jiga have a most illogical unreasonable scientific temperament makre logic reason apply masara sara je ke ba where does the law stand rule of law ji jira daga in jing han khangai kyawangre jiga ji scientifically immersion hi sai khungui ba jin na ngphongau ji that is wrong they hangai khewang re ji ga have it to biology with it is science pure science then hi kita da arungli sangbamra tura arungli mashokra hui science re plus ngalei khamang have it has ngalei we na thuna theor ngalei have or complication depending on the age on his medical condition. Then he have in a RUC speaker do you agree this law is applicable to me progressive society agree applies or we need to think about it again. Law process not only Tangkul society. Every society has gone through a process of law making. Even the most civilized society like British, atumra process atumra archaic saraka atumra sai, which hundred sai. But they have developed แต่อินจริงหันข้างในสปีกเกอร์เลย thank you
นี่ชิระกันเลยอาทั้งอินก็ชื่อกับเป็นไงเลยอีทุ่งไว้อารุยลินสิตไอ้น่ะเป็นมีแต่ใครตรู้ก็สั่งอ๋องเรรู้ขมังฮิกดาท่าฮีมาอีทุ่งไว้ก็สตัมมันยังมันเห็นว่ามาหังไปมาเลยเลยก็สานี่ข้าอารุยนั่นก็หังท่าตาอีทุ่งไว้ rule of law ไว้ concept ฮีหินวัดตั้งให้ได้ก็จริงมั้ยนี่ขีบังกระเจก็อีวีเทขวารีเทก็คุยดีว่าโลฮีกรีโลนขีสากระเจก็โลนก็ท่าตามีอาควย human behavior ฮีดีก็ท่าตาลิงก์ก็อะไรorder สาระก็ให้ society มาพูดขังป้ามารอดคำราดา society ฮีก็ท่าแต่เชื่อมรักระก็จะวิliquidate ก็สันนี่เจนะ human behavior ฮีระอาจารย์เวยนะอีทุ่งไม่ concept ฮีก็จุงขังกันได้อาจารย์ก็เอาอายุอาตมเรียวัดสักก็จีขย้อนในเด้อไม่คุยกันสักจีก็รำไม่ได้สาระก็จีอาจจะว่าอีทุ่งไม่ดีอีทุ่มน่าสักทีเด็กจีเจ้ามันไม่ชงนี่เจ้ามันสาบายนี่ก็จีเลี้ยเจ้าในอีทุ่มไม่กันเซฟขังจีวิอาทิชุดโลหิตก็ตั้งไม่ได้โลหิตหาแต่จังก็อินาทั้งห่างไกลจีอีทุ่มไม่ดีจีก็ท่าสังเตรโกอินา particular สัตว์ว่ามาห่างมันนี่อีว่าโน้ยไอเดียจีอีช่วยสักกี่ครั้งไอเดียจี subscribe ใส่มาเริ่มว่าcustom จีชิมานาสิกจิมนี่ custom จีดี custom จีให้กับไปมันจะน่ารวยกับไปอะ custom จีดีให้กับไปอัปมจ่าได้ให้อสคุยชกกับไปจีคุยชกอสแล้วก็ preserve self ข้าอีตุ่มน่ะ local จี enforce สักกับไปวิมาสักกับไปสักไปมาสักไปมันนี่จีมาจุกแล้วก็มาสักกับไปปิงจ้าขณะจันดีให้เอาใส่หินพาไม่ได้หิน effective สาไม่ได้อารมณ์หนุ่ยทอดหนุ่ยขังเจ้าว่าที่สุดฮิปาหินมันชงไม่ได้ก็จะฮิพาสังอุดรเจ้าน่ะพาสังสังไงอาทังหินทุกครั้งไอ้น่ะขมจุกตะการใส่รุกูก็จะหินจีดีมินซาตะการนี่บ้า
kick a promotion of educational, economic, and of STs, SCs, and weaker section. The another harapan hangar. 46. Jilina redesal ke social, educational, economic backwardness of SC, ST the hangya.
Arui, ina mabning turgam time ne ka ina kahangji. Article 14 ka ba adamri equality before the law.
Yes, kanana hili social, educational, and economic backwardness of ST, SC the hangde. That relates to Article 46. Article 46.
46.
Yeah,
Yes.
which says ki hangla promotion of educational and economic interests of ST, SC, and other weaker sections doesn't go. Yana ina wala hangapan ba iti manipuli shok de kle hi kapungna wi fan hi ungaire hi kapungna wi limitation la travel limitation la SCST commission la khangde diversity thalal itum we have raised so many we have tried so many researchers thalam saram then no kapaningli Manipuli ungde klaya kapungnawi tribal fund hi tribal na nim thalaksin kai ki remedy nana legal remedy whatever may be nana ke se sangai kla
Iti hangru jika law we provision wa nari iri mi kai ni. ka law we provision ji itu mo no we rights ji in a assert masa ka in a demand masa ka in a mapo ka mi khang te na mra po mi mre jena fund diversion atu ta ka ji hi ka chung ka iwa ji we statistic ji song wa ma thei thu re ji ka phyo mi ro ka idum na ngarar ga pai hi ayena ko provision ri lori itum ri pangshep mi haidra ji ka da itum na ngarar ura ji ka politically ngarar bai ra ji ri ngarar ura kara itum mai loko ri ngarar ga bai otra ji ri ngarar ura jaina li makeup da na ina pangkhang ri gi nei phegal kal li gi ji maning ka itum mi matsat mare
Certainly, if we confusion, agala take quick ngai kale gale. Naga no sada Naga we perspective in the questions in hangai. Itum hi India in Naga hi bilateral we along the howda. India will amion, Naga will amion, law kini we along the howda. Confusion kitunga kleta the take. Naga we contextually research haramaman laga society here, church here, national workers here, politicians here, kala youngster organizations here so kya kala dakle li confusion kichung ko kle ta the jani hi we matang le teo mi da ing han khuyaw we rule of law hili itum absolute authority he publicly legal, national workers legal, Indian we rules and laws legal, it will be customaries legal. All many ago, he will only how to check this power balancing. China Jansam Sada itum young Charlie get you advocate to be more specific, precise. Itum we shock the clay problem, shock the clay he region the control sada the example sada. Taga region we only national workers we only not only rules and regulation ayan navala features hang provide in an hanjane. Not only lighting features hang by the lighting milo jaina lighting malay sabje. Jana thakna tumka thadi features hangla jaina itum malay malay is guy. Lighting ji ilima sampanga I'm sorry. I'll try to find it out. Ka ajile lighting ji padale. Ka features jaina Tangkur example sa Tangkur and context piyawe. Tangkur here, Tangkur intellectuals, awunga longala itumisian chicken rian sharp hong sing the click yakana mayang rolaga Tangkur rian he sham kaine. Sehar sasang kaine. Jaina Tangkur here, Gadong na rian here mayaga hai lo akane. Ka region God here. NSN okay, example sada. You're not Kamiane. Kakatong of factions here another 27, 26 level. Hina Kamia meaning is a part of the Jine. Taga how to balance. Taga Ari he shocked the clay Katong he civil will autonomous sing. National workers will autonomous sing. Ogla a garron the legated singly. Oh, congregate organization that sing the clay. Kadonga he out of rules, out of the law, rules of the land. Umutung maganda sang hai vivanga. Where is the conflict lies? Taga he kata this checks how we see like it with madangle young sali tell me the humming song I share.
I know it is a crack. Maramba. Itu may context we outside context by the jang ka adang na hangura rule of law we azing di kibana supreme sa makeup kra chui makeup kra people ka legislature ka maning ka ro kra ka ji wi ji di in hang ok khang te de in comment mi gi ji ka sak tre ja itong wi India wi constitution pa khayang tharan primable ji ka pa tharan wi the India tôi hậu chỉ rằng itong India wi mi sai corona zang na ka India constitution hi maya da shem ka hai ni ji tra Jena rules of law we principle na ki hang ra ka ma ayen ka shem ji ra khamung ji ra lui khwa mi ji ra sai kur hi shem ka hai ya ayen ji na chui mi ka pru ko ji we a jing li le ru ko ki pa kha ji we a tung li ma pam ru ko cái gì này cái đó ta itong với gì strictly khi cái sao cái nó với khang tây bình chế mang han cả rồi đấy separation of power jil là gì applicable là gì à mà sao bài sao mà đấy cả in sampat ai na hang khang ai vậy itong lấy được cái này itong với tăng khul với legal customary law procedural law hi mà tharak cái nam quy ngờ đọc chỉ hồ sung được mà chụp được ít thôi mấy custom chỉ mang đi culture chỉ mang đi focus mà sao ra chỉ thấy được ô cái thôi và cái răng gai đằng đó vậy ra ô cái thôi đi phải cả lùm se khăng chỉ đi phải cả lùm se chỉ có khí tơ cả cái gì hi cái tông na mà chụp được khăng chỉ atam mui tơ cả chỉว่าที่สุดkhăng chỉ hi khui da khang chơi khui khra cái gì hi aju hi atam hi rak ji maning ka itum ka chung ka chot chot ta sa ri ka chung ka ri sa 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 ri ka khang dei je ka bi mi ro yi ji ma ra de
Thằng mình chỉ outside or inside mà thấy thôi cái này thấy cả là thấy khang á khang á sao này thằng priêm bằng hoa sinh này anh xem lỡ rau cái là chui cái này sao đấy nè khang hẳn ngay how can we balance individual rights with national security concerns in the context of counter-terrorism laws. Xin bài này, cái thằng đó, anh là cái thằng đó balance quy mì là cái, mà xuân chỉ lệnh sang nước lăng gì, cái ông thấy ngay.
Particular masara in general ling handu jika, jika ni we right si. Ngatai the feel ngatai the operate sai ide hang lo chika ma national we interest ide jiwe citizen individual we interest la sangi kachi thal area of operation hing ngatai chena chita dang ngatai au kita itu mede athang ina akshita panai Itong individual rights, fundamental rights ni mi kahit mang jipa thuye ta, iwi fundamental duties si imatay thuray ka Geneva. Jena fundamental rights protection mi kahit jiwi corresponding fundamental duty kimi de ay di kra ka jira katay darkar side ka jini. Atang national security ji janam sata mai. Ayen law court enforcement sa pai manai kathal ji citizen ko tong na rijom nau ko tong na himion thungra kichi da chani jena ara khang dei ma dei dui ka sang na khyan nei issue wi khang dei wi
Speaker, one question. Adang rule of mob chui question mang han mai in a rephrase ka sangai. Jika ada na ji ke banji, ayah จนทั้ง October ตุลิโชคให้อดโชคไปมาตั้งเลย in a observation delivery of justice is very slow court นำท่าจะ function มักษาเนี่ยจะคุยข้า in the context of itu ukrul tangkul widi ki iudi iri hanglo jika parallelism rede because itu me customary law akhri re hangna singda jadi hakamai aru itu me tangkulong na sidr singde longpang na ena hakamai re re atu me karot tangkulong we are hiri under the Indian constitution it will be court, the CGM court, civil court, the CMIC. Are he casualty of Yaruite? Jenara he Kadade. He how to bring some normality and working relation he no way suggestion Kihangai Kiwang Kritika. Here confusion to make car the great high you observation Kiwang Rejika in a talk aga that you make elaborate saga Miakana Aunga Pabam and Aungaina hang laying by a car quarter amusing Mr. X. Generally, Yuli Barga Casey represents sign and you away. Hari contradictory Akrakani. Ara miya bajira khamas hazere akbar wounded. Ka there is no resolution. Ka read pahina pangmayeda because proximity hi reaura. Jena thaga ara have a stalemate ne. Still the bad blood runs. Thaga itume society we are still internally itume conflict agar ishon sitam. I don't know suggestion and the rule of law jeta rule of law hi paramansi akha kathara. Atang sovereign hang law he people with Vesaraji, Kayoji Matemko, because Ajui FMR movement or free movement regime he because got the sovereign you got issue MLA MB with the Vesarji. Kahi law the government government of Indian sing out of Nima. That is a long debate. Ka Aruipahi in a pertinent Harakai. It will tang holy context chicken hankangai no way viewpoint ni guitar suggestion guitar
it will be tangkol we context come to itaran e burning issue akasai musumi ki wangra jeka court khani we jurisdiction ngatak rokai the general rule of law we principle layer ordinary court of law ji ngating the jurisdiction lay ting mai kap ke je magistrate court to civil kikaway to supreme court tada jang jurisdiction we ati should say ka court kani customary aka government court aka the sahai raka party khani ji na mayang ro kai raka jurisdiction khare jiri baurudro ka kajangkat wa there should be finality of litigation case kasai pa ko bai dai katang ling sak prongishta ina hiri mi yu ga long phang ri mi ga long dai ka long dai mi yu ga arung ba si di wara jigda je ka chung khani ka jigda wi je chau si ka sabai ga hiri jang au gai speaker khani lai dai ka view
ning share yaru participation mathalak tele sara shanglila anawi topic chile incident ngan ka mi khai angkala ithum ni kachunga nga phaing room mi khai jiwang kachunga ning shidle aru ya tami ka khane issue resource person ka khane Dr. Ngatar Rivanao ana aru ung theological college with dean sami dele a hi somtol wene ali atam hi misang dele
Hikita man saklang ka hai kala kamata opportunity kami wang remai tuida how to greenway organizers pingli iwining shi chung mi dlai platform li pam room dak lei ojang ra bing hi oja rai khan oja luingam oja shang oja Daniel Ramson hi itumda yang ka bai la ka hai kala tam khui gai pai kala respect lai la ka hai itum community we meeting ne athum li da what's a room hi la iwi ring pa kala ni gi shi chung pong thok de le ili mighai topic ki itum nauri mi chuk room dak le rule of law ji hi religious perspective haina mu chuk room kwai mi hai dak le ne iwi paper hi msalang ga ina ri tu da confession sangai topic hi li khmi dharan in a pamaman arrange sama jan iwang sakla ga we sakla in khui because itum ne detail sa de rule of law ji iwi film sa tu gida hang the clay ji ju concepting ji ku chung struggles halaga prepare sai the clay de kala hi da multidisciplinary exercise ga sai laga within a short period of time prepare sa wi iwang challenging sa ga iwi ding li in a topic big high justice sani gam sani klyang ji hil iwi ding li katrin leidle ka tha salala iwi limitation gu chung ga lei salala iwi in a ran ga hai in a pop ta ga khui in a share sa ngai ji ari li share sa ga vai sa ga chani iwi paper li ri bai tuida concept or doctrine rule of law ji doctrine hi kikla our key principles is elements ping ji li sang da lei ji wi thili biblical law in the religious perspective jawga da itu reshi sasar hawga da bible bali pesa khaine iwi paper we aim baba bible li doctrine rule of law we doctrine we concept are we essential features being he sangam sang de le kiji hi thada ji we from investigate sadu khaine chena itum the paper hi shig yo group say what is rule of law ji bahi in the chungmai ka chungmai da mahang ri ge aruji ojana mata la ren hang mi re yang chu concept pa jin ma ba lu ge ka in atam la kira safe sak vai directly itum wi bible is ang dak lei law wi maram li itum na matai mi thik ji portion ji mata rang la ka aka khani tam ko thai khang rum hi targa sai higada disciplinary exercise ka sa hi hi wi kan khana ku chung ka lei de lei mu ji hi in a prepare some man ka thai wi aka lei ji kyuwang la ji ga itum da kyang tharan Western countries being we constitution runo atum we legal system judicial thoughts being he atum the formulate ka sadaran bible na ka chung ka inspire sami bible li ka chung ka pe sai ji hi sambangai ji vaina Bernard Levinson hi da hangai the bible has been a significant source of study of the development of certain key legal concepts that are essential to the development of modern constitutional government ta an hangai chena ka khani akhanala Jonathan Burnside he a reader of biblical law ne school of law or University of Bristol we scholars ha kanal hangai anang heolga biblical law in a modern law hing heolga an khi hangla jiga a reader of supports such undertaking by suggesting that the study of the biblical law contributes to our understanding of the law in general and vice versa. Itum the modern law itum we actual law being he kabatharan itum li biblical law he katalak lag ji thamai da phaptang sa ge biblical law hi thamai de thung the dharan itum modern law hi lam thamai da phaptang sa ge ji khang ahang ana khang te important ang da khang wa khigla jiga itum we thermally sang da clay thermal we maramli or biblical law tha discuss ga sai khiwang important sa gula ga everyone itum na okthuili yangka ara shop the sai go religious factor hi role gu chunga haklain reu da kleng sau gu da higada hila yang khang rum hi targa sai da hangai ka hili challenges le me thui da klei bawa bible is sang da klei or bible hi wa achal gu ancient document na khane kala itum nauri sang da klei rule of law ji ba hi wa itum ari modern text akhane yang kala ani gni wa aluni cap gu chunga le geographical, cultural, and time keeping chungle how good ani ni sun laka mana yang khum hili hui challenges kujungle Chena Kuchikata me being the question say, question raised to Sabava. Can we treat the laws in the Bible at par with the modern legal document as an actual law? Question say. Bible is the law he itum nari sing the law being and raja itum treat up by lag question say. Chena Kuchikata being the biblical dialect the biblical scholars the legal aspectly interest legal research ka sabi na kyang ka Bible is the law being hiva law that itum the shin the law ka changkat da legal law that have much more by gi opinion lay yang kala hi ka changkat atama gli Bible is the law atam law being hi ancient Israel Judah ngale atamli atum the case ka satharan law being ji refer sa nakra ka ji hi khang han lay chena khachita salala atum the question ga sa ji important sai khatha salala hi chawe ji hi maharam ne khwang le gi itum lila documents mle thu gi da atum da hang the question sa the ji proof sak vai documents mle thu gi da atum ji matha sala bai ka itum kiram hi chawe ji hi mahang germany ka khangde bin khang ba if the laws were not used by the courts they cannot be considered as law the khang yang chen hi mi gu chung da shamlang in hang se ji ga khang ba okay the law ta da shi mi shi jin sa la atum da ji refer ma sa la ji general principle being ji shi jin la ga atum da case ku ga tharan trial ga sa tharan mo shoi la ji va facing sa la ga ji jin da atum ni guidance mi le re ga ji hi kai gi na hang ai ka hi da ka pa shok la okay scholars biblical scholar ra kana kahang hita da hang yang is not Barton the laws were meant to inculcate morality and also develop legal thinkings and only later did these general principles of moral advice became a binding set of laws chen hi lang mai da khang de bin da khang ba ma athum da chui itum da ari phapta da le status legal status chak ma ka shung sal la ma shoila Bible is the law ji thang athumi atum the case still sa the ji thang ji da shock the clay importance like a case sao ku da ma shoila the documents Bible is the law being hiva legal aspect jiba much man dream na changlak tre re gi hi atum shi sangai chen hi biblical scholar khani na khang hita da hangai the laws in the Bible present what the people at the time considered the law to be and even if not always put into practice they reveal the underlying process of juridical thought that were prevalent in the society kala hili ngshikda itumli muchukung saktak le baba biblical law ina itum yari shi nakle modern law hi khangsun tharan ani wi nature lila khangate gi chung le haugda kasak khalai kwanglet ga itumli Bible is the law hi va Bible gi big had to show that the law sang the like tong hi va rana khami nei da shit sangai yang chi haugda hi da da rana khami nei gi ji ai ji wi gi shit ka sang le haugda itum dawi shi jin the modern li shi jin the law he da ani wi nature characteristic ji khangate ji mung sun ga bai akale yang in modern constitution states law cannot be justified by claims that it was revealed by God. Ju khangte akane. Lang me the itum the biblical law kheng tharan itum yari itum the shin the modern law tha the area ka tongli complete masa mane gi ne. Itum the kheng tharan mi bing the targa sa the law ka the issues being ni chung cover masa mane ka the importance ala kaya aka khani mangli cover ka sa the thaye. Chen lang me the atang in the hang hai Jonathan Burnside na khang ba even in the mode of interpretation katha the interpret sa ra ga jadam dharan la modern law and the biblical law hilila khangate ki chung ga le da hangai ka chita da ju difficulties ku chung ga le sa la Lon Fuller the legal theories akana ana khang khai da and the law define it the sai law is the enterprise of subjecting human conduct to the governance of rules ke hi hangai chuwaina hi wi shong ai yang sei je ga itumla Bible is samang dak lei Israel loving na si jin dak lei law hila atang hang khai da atum wi atam thang wi atum na targa sa dak lei pichar ka sali sijin how gada kala hi law hina athumi society wa alongli ka phak wirak vai justice ak vai sijin how gada hili the bible we law hi exactly meaning salala the law sa da khui ba ye ji hi itumli thekuing sage chili lang me kharda dala kaina itun the bible li khyang tharan Deuteronomy ta kala Torah da sijin dak lehi khyang tharan legal materials ku chung ga sang dak lehi constitution we sense haina ka khui hi zangai jan hili again in a pasok leke the Torah in general and the book of Deuteronomy, which contains the bulk of legal materials, has been considered as a constitution, though not in a modern sense, as it does not contain substantive regulation that determine the exercise of government power and formal regulation that concerns the fundamental legal status of person. Kala khangate biblical scholars being the law. Talaga na Deuteronomy, ari Bible we law kuchunga legal materials kuchunga hiba Deuteronomy sambang jine. Kala Deuteronomy hi constitution aga thada atam jadran constitution aga thada operates sa ye shijin sa ye gi shit ka sang laye. Chida haugada atungni hang khai da itumna difficulties khangsun modern law and biblical law khangsun atum taran challenges kuchunga lei salla. Ayin thada shijin haugada constitution thada shijin haugada ari ituna machuk le role of law hi thada jiwi perspective chi khiralaga yangrum ka hi apong lei gi hi remake to the established sa khangai ne chen ari hili ina sa ngai baba adong we rule of law we doctrine kala are we principle are we essential features bingji ari bible is the legal materials bingli zanga ma zangla gi hi ina tyo we investigate sangai jine chen remake to the Deuteronomy chapter 17 14 to 20 ji hili yangrum ngai jine hili khisam bangla jika aung the law of the king ji hi sambang jine kala hili khyang dharan khisam bangla jika ada hangkhai da one of the main principle of rule of law is that the supremacy of law ang ayin hin chume tui jine chili lang bai da chili chume da male ru aung ru no kala mi khang dai ki pa ka pangshap like mai or chili chui mai malem ne kala mi ga tonga aung ru no common subjects being no role law we azing jili ok thui pung re gi hi sambangai kala rule of law we concept atishuda khamunga mi ping wi pangshap jila rule law jina restrict sami e kala jina atumi arbitrary pa pangshap ji thada shijin ba ba gi hi prevent sami gi sambangai the Jewish concept ji itumna Deuteronomy chapter 17 verses 14 to 20 li kapa hi sambang jino now atam chitran Israel bing we khongnai bing the jungle Babylonian bing no the Hittites bing no Assyrians bing no Egyptian bing le sago atumla atumi body of law le sargine kala hili khamta ka pa wa khigla jika Babylonian bing we bing no Assyrians bing no atumna shijindak le law hi aunga bahina sem sargine aunga bajina ali pangshap mi jine ali sem anaga sem ne jiaugada hili scholars kai bin ta khyanglas ga loji ana sem haugada aunga bajina sem haugada inaga sem da jen ina sa ngai sai pai lo hi be ili apply ma sa bai mi gujui ka phaning lai sai da khang sa ne kala ji da haugada lo hil abuse ka sa instances la label me ka bible da Deuteronomy ka pikha ati shuda majid hala ngatai hangina sai Israel liver lohi aunga ma semane brana community adang khang ta brana community to kyog da juvaina automatically it implies that the king is also under the law jineji jen atum na khang ba scholars bin hili khyang lo hi ba extraordinary da hangai given that context acha gui atam context ri anga hi ba extraordinary da khang ne jine because Chui area wing jali area wing ancient West Asia we area ng jali Israel we aunga mang ne da hangai lo we azingli okthui mani nga kha kala lo ai na da lam sem sak awi lo ka semli ali pangshap ma ka mi jang Torah aunga ba hila khangate Israel no bin thada Torah we azingli ka tong ka ốc thủy phùng rơ chịu ạ thì số đó ớt xa phùng rơ cái gì chỉ là cái bị khai itum sắm bằng ấy chú vãi nè itum the Bible ba cơ maran bing nè ông Israel ông bini pichar cái sát thằng khi the pacing sắc lên cái Torah chỉ là pacing sai Torah chỉ cái khéo atum the injustice kurai mi bini discriminate sai on that basis prophets bing hina ông bini judge cái sao này chỉ vậy nè hili cái interesting sala kai ba khi cái ông ba wi bangshap restrict cái samang maning la ali hili cái số khai thì số đó ông người duty ba khi cái nerve Torah ji rawi loji apangai na na apang masai na cái cái bị phung ra cái là pa phung ra cái gì cái số khai sắm bằng ấy trên scholars bin được hàng ba về hin được khi hàng là cái ông người ba ji na rawi or Eastern of India tak le rand mi gai loji thala kai na ka pa tharan our relationship ji rali mathamai ji tharan ana khamu atam tharan loji wa tishu da mi sai ko ruwang ka pha sami pai ka sami re ji hi itumli sambang sa ke chena jili kyang atam tharan la au ngani au restrict au power restrict sa ji area ka thumli restrict sa kai sambang ai Number one, in terms of weapon, woman, and wealth. Could lai bing shinang kala sinaluba lan hi hili restriction power restriction sa kai le yang hi sa ga highway aim ba village ga it restricts the king's power without which the king will assert independent power. Kala pangshap le hauga law li sa bai le hauga chỉ cái restriction hi lấy cái gì khang này, ông hi Israeli là ông sát sát là lôi à chính được ốc thuê lôi na ali là Persian này cái gì cái đó itum na cái gì thấy cái Naboth case cái này itum thằng cái này thấy, yang First King chapter 21 verses 1 to 16 đi sao thì should Naboth na ông Ahab na Naboth yang quy trình chẳng hậu được cái bộ thằng Naboth na Israel will law ati shuda ili yarda kai ngalai hiwa mi gdeli mi pai mi da khang atam tharan Naboth la aung sa sal da kiga masak bai tu powerless sa khai ji jine itum li ji theing sa kai ka khaneli Deuteronomy chapter 16 we 18 to 18 we 16 verses 18 to chapter 18 we verse 22 jili rule of law we essential features sa ka itum li sambang wi Rule of law essential feature ang kaji atong ocha na hangay the separation of power ni, separation of power. Jene itum hilik kiyang tharan. Deuteronomy chapter 16 we 18 to chapter 18 22 kiyang tharan office mati identifying side le hili. Yang Israel we atam tharan office le sa pangshap le sa leadership le sa pingje kikla ka judges, king, priest, prophet le sai. Jene hili Atang hangai Levinson jibajna kiang here we find a complete restructuring of the major judicial, political, and religious institution of ancient Judah, with their sphere of authority defined. Office mati hili itum na kiang adam taran atum na kisaran da atum ipang shapjim tagagay na define sa mga laga mga takaway hida the restructure kasai sambang hida hangai. Juway na atang ina again hangai na da Jonathan Perside na kiyang when we look at this text, we see this legislation as pointing to separated but shared power, so that power could not be concentrated in a single human authority. Tajena Adam Chitran is Bible sangbang thandran mi bingjin lahita the office ita the separation of power sa hila power pangshap ji abuse sai by shine Mia kuli chungna da pangshap le hai ga sa ga bai ga chung ga le ga ji hi thai hau ga da power hi restrict ka sa hi sambang ji nyang jena hi da the rules semi gai legislation le semi gai na kisambang le it permits no institution to have a basis of power external or independent of the legal corpus of Deuteronomy ji office ko tumi ko tonga is jaw ot gurut dera ka tonga pangshap atung pangshap sambang dak lai kala atung dak sa basis foundation ko tonga ji Deuteronomy sambang dak lai law ayin bingji chỉ bình chỉ là băng sập cái mình này chỉ lý lăng đó thùng băng sập mà làm này gì cái gì hi sắm bằng cái gì chú vậy nè law chỉ là Torah chỉ là thùng băng sập miao cái đó thì we office cái tông cái là they are accountable or they are accountable to the law cái gì hi thùng đi sắm bằng cái yang chứ nè hi đó Bible cái bài thằng Deuteronomy chapter 16 we hi itum we rule of law we essential sana kai features saga separation of power ji hila itum li sambang thale then Exodus 18 Deuteronomy 1 we 9 to 18 Ari 16 we 18 to 17 kyang tharan la administration of justice atam chi tharan Israel we ngaleli justice si ka tha administer sagla ga chui apongli la ka pi ka hai hina itum li again itum li connect sa ga bai aponga ka leji kyuwanglas ga rule of law we principle ba khiglas ga fairness mashung langai na mi jang mi khai mi khara mashung ri ga da pichar sa ka mi accessibility and quick trials hibing hi basic features ne da sambang yang chena hi ga ta sambang khawai hi ari itum nari text ka ba tharan itum likhi ji theglas ka atam jitran Israel no bi ni hi ga law sa mi ba atum judiciary system hi ga da organize sa ka ji hi sambang ji ne jena atum organization ji yang ka da atum la fairness accessibility and quick trial bi hi mi bing li sambang khawai wi chui a minor sem khai da chui a minor organize sa khai da sambang yang jena itum na Bible kheng tharan itum wi Ari for example itu mingale la jamsa chui me tu ji Supreme Court le ye chuteli High Court chuteli court chi level ati should khlai tha da Bible na la ji zukmi law ati should court hi apam gu tong li kala chili yang sang mi khwai da mi machine ati should cha la kai da judges being kapang sang mi ji itumli sambang yang chi da accessibility le hau gu da da thak me card da pichar la samai ka bai apong ji sambang sak ne itum li shi sang sakai chena atum the procedure follow sa tak le hila ka da pichar sa ra gra ji umaram li la ka pi sangai da le ji process khyang tharan itum li khite kuin sakla je ka atum da ji follow sa ka atum da pichar ka sa daran fair sa ra ji hi itum li sambang ji wai na hili da la kai da pichar sa mi ji pili sang sak ngai Bible or we law na khi sang sak ngai kla je ka the text or the law insists on the plurality of witness. Mia kamang pijar sa tamtaran mia kamang we tu yai na mazadla ka mashungai je ka mikchung the witness mikshap nguye je ka mikchung the witness bi laga ta authentic sira sala kaina valid sala kaina pijar sa mi vai chi itumni sambang yang chen in hili pasok lo the law hili jang takle law na it stipulates the criteria necessary to establish judicial proof, the testimony of 2 or more witnesses. In other words, the judges are required not to ignore the direction of the law by appending it in any way and the evidence of the facts. The judges were stipulated not to show partiality. Case kasatam taran, tada pailagay da masabi da ka judges pinjil the sincere sala kaina investigate matala kaina sami laga pichar khumi phungra gaji hi atumli lo hina kila sami yang chena hili hida da sadak le hi ina hanga in short the equality of all citizens under the law regardless of class or status is assumed gaji hi itumli sambangai yang chena dong we thui da another feature rule of law we feature akam tala kai sang pang ji khigles ga everyone is equal before the law gaji principle hi le itumni sambangai yang hi ga da thing sakle jika kesa khaina example kui se itum the Old Testament we Exodus chapter 21 we verse 28 li ka tharan simuk akana kajik tha miya khali sajung sangai ka ka da pichar sar ka da penalty mi re gujui maramli sambangai hi we kc exact kc atang ina hanghai chamta the Babylonian da ari Egyptian pingwi legal materials le sambang jine madala kana code of Hammurabi Babylonian we law ka legal materials ka lila kc exact sa da sambang jine ก็ขังเตยากบ่าวคิกเลจะก็ฮิลิขังเตยบ่คิกเลจะก็อารีGod of Hammurabi Babylonian we low live a class distinction he maintains ฮะจีเนี่ยยัง class he distinction จีเนี่ยคือ Bible live Old Testament we low Bible we low live จิกตา distinction จิกตา partiality จิกตากระไข่จีมาเลยจีเนี่ยจีजब ज़्यादा सही जी ना जब ज़्यादा for example God of Hammurabi live सही जी ना साथ जगह का yang लगा मीबाजी राउला जगह अवी बिचार रिद में मीबाजी अखवाने के शांगनाउ ने जगह बिचार जी और पेनाल्टी जी गवेंग में इधर संबंध जी ने का बाइबल लिव जिता दमस जिता जी जो providence जो विकिरा जी provision जी मजंग जी ने जी similarly अरे इतुम ना लिया का मियाग ना लिया का थारे का जितारान he will low he Hittites being we low sambang jine hilila khanguyang wira khali wali kai ka penalty hi pi charge mi baji ki bakla ju ati shur da sa je yang mi baji raw muni ka fine down ka mi baji raw sa ka aliva fine pesa da pi charge sa ka la awi pasali ka jita injury akra leng sak la ka aliva jita da pi charge sa ki de je chena itum liva itumi iti exodusly or biblical lowly sambang thakle pawa pi charge va mi li miang la distinct every mi chang mi khai mi khala chap cha da na na sa kha ati shu da mi ji hi itum li sambang ai chen hi na khyang la all citizens were considered equal resulting in a punishment of crime being not hindered or marginalized by class or wealth which hi sambang ji de je 제나 이위 뒤굽리다 항해 이 내에서 investigate 그 사람들은 doctrine of rule of law doctrine the propound 사람들의 fundamental principles fundamental 기도 qualities 빙히 바이블을라 마야이 그지 이위 conclusion 네 양 바이블을라 미야클리 방샤비 중나 미에가 corrupt 사이바이 Seek abuse sai bai. Kalau kita hai ke mi kecung li sahaja ke bai kecung le jadi hi recognize sao kita mi agli pangsapi awungam tak lagi awungam pangsapi restrain sami ai kalau law torawi alungli hai mi jadi hi tumli sambangai. China modern law ai na itumi biblical law li mangsun ke bai or thadam bang nai kecang kecung ke lei salala. Iwi thai ke kuili aniwi function. Ani we purpose, ani we intent va ngarai jai, yang law hi va mi bingli ngak mi khai, mi bingwi welfare yang sang mi khai, yang mashun sa mi laga order ji maintain sa mi laga kasak ji hi law tong gui karin ne, chena hi we na ka tiaw ka pak thui khai rule li tu na masi ki tharan itumi apamli itumi galeli itumi apamli ke ana hang khai ta the chaos, inequality, injustice, suffering of the innocence. Discrimination which he shock by actually China even in hangai ba you conclusion the rule of law the propound sadakle ideals or conceptually Bible na mayai ji you conclusion ne at the same time rule of law with principles rule of law with concepti Bible na inspired ka sai de ki ji ba hi ji hang la ga the you presentation ni kup sang phai sau ni shi dai
Yeah, really question are atam him show mirang laka natum na question han gi ji precise salai na kala ana matui khai we jili chumi laka han mi lu ji portale yeah really na question han mi bai re
source person ni tar ning si ana mai sai na itu masuk rum kampai sung hang ne ni sini arui masuk wa pai phai khana thai khanga kama pension wi chaka song ai na chwa khnoi na thong question na kha iram hili vresi ka thana ping sina rule of law, kana human rights, nuiram hini อดกระรนขี้คุยอะไรครับกันละขี้อดกระรนคุยรันครับ
OK，他的，我叫为个普丁基，这个马上说啥了？因为他的泰国行业，一同的his사不热这个，一同为他们个的，一同为他们个这个中个，来一的泰国样，嘛他的他们个的一个，怎么的 ？For example， Malaysia 个啥去了？ Malaysia kana kasahila Malaysia kasahila Virana hangai kaman jeli itum oktui kitane rule of law li oktui kitane chena higatai respect ta rule of law li respect sar kata da hida da itum jiwa tishu oktui ra gju hi itum wi tam gjite itum wi otsakaina sa gjite hi itum darga sai 其他个一同 rule of law 这里一同开样式的一同这里恶推推着，但是一同为咱们个其他一同为恶啥个呢？啥说个我讲的行动累积啥摆着，而且 exactly 个他的其他那个这就把一了马上热度了，有个一同那个小摆弄的，Malaysia 个啥的一同忘了 importance 那个 social issue、social justice 并且一同忘了 importance 啥子嘞？这呢是。 Justice 没说你忘个，你可没说你忘个人可没去 rule of law 里 follow 个啥他那个就是亏的，真的，一同为 church 为 out 个 root，church 为mission，church 为他们个 daily， 迄个他 importance 那个 issue 的上碰着个是，他因为太亏的那些。
Sampot kahit ni iwi ba? Ari itumwe very shipping he very shiwi Christian law gaji ba hi ba kila Indian wa lung li jo si Indian constitution wa lung li mathala na recognize sa la ka hai da khlai thala malai to the Christian law itumwe li cái gì cái tha mình khởi yon khama akha cái sai gì thani Christian law na action ko khui cái gì ba hiya masa ka pai masa khar gì ba hiya le de le re ma shu lag la ji ba kha ara cái gì cái tha mi akha na khởi yon khamang sa hau da khongwe ot sa hau da ali law we asingli ali interrogation khui gi ji sa sar ya na ahi kamit sa khai ni ahi ngui khai ni khli o ji sa khai ni mili phopha khai ni shaw khai ni hikda sa da ali law we asing ni ali action khui da jail li sang khai ni hi itum vore shi wi join la khayon ba ji li action ko khui ji ya khui ngi hi ke ji ba hi maya da le ra da khui ji ne ka aji itumwe vreshi biwe sadna da khlehili kasai ka yengjan holy marriage kathar shakzam ko khui pa jili under discipline li ka haija ta da take up chen thui ho we hi thai ki ji thai li ka ka ji ka tha mi hi a lo we asing li ngwe how da yon how da ali action khui da jail li sangai ro lokab li sangai re cái khayon mi ba jili church we join the action ko khui ali under discipline hai huwe oi ta action ko hu ge ba hi ma thai la ka ni ma sha la ka ni bare shia ka sa da awi khong hi a ngwe ha hi
khali ka so outside is by here mai ai ka action ko khi ba ma thela ka si ni jaw de itu very shi wi shong ni ai chi tha ji under discipline ko khui ji hipping li under discipline li church li under discipline the record li mak chal ka hai ga hipping li hai pai kha hi ka khali ka so ping li ba o hi tha khyon ka sa ping li ba chi tha the record li ma hai pai ni ka ji ba ji ka tha the lao le ji ba i ji ba ji kha thai ngai ji sa ni ya ne chi ka tha wi very shi itu mu very shi wi li chi ka tha hi thai sa la ke sak khamai khyon ka sa ba ji li ba church ne action ko khui ma thai mane kha ma shak zam ne ji ba ji church ne action ko khui ba hi thai ji ja da ji ba ji kha thai ngai ji sa ne bai
ocha we question hi iu wang wa sakta in a sense itum la pastor thani the administration lim sang thu dak ja kam the dur bai kha yu the gui li ada spare of area le church na deal ga issue le church na masakran jamsa for example you take really ayin na ngalewi ayin na khriba ji action khwega I think the church also agrees with that action just kalajui anasa khai ji mom shum de ji church na bai ji da khuye ka church we as haran ba khang dei le da ji district sa khai de de khuim ko ja yi ba ji ba ja da ja dang han ga mi yo ko ji ba ji
in Mizoram we just a network hangai Mizoram he church he and youth organization ni maringrake atumu value system he in yang ga tharake because atumi public property public civic sense hongfu gi zadira ji exhibit sarake hongfu ji ka khami thada mina kungjon ning jangrem tharake na than ba jao ji reng bai aram lao bingi very appreciative he gida dara khra deng tingjen church role ka rai plus national ji ka atumu arui young mizo association da khri YMA ari ning han khangai ba ba rule of law jen mai ten commandment re bible that was the foundation of law it means very sharp one jen na theme as a theologian you are far better knowledgeable other in a tangkhulu context nagau context in han khangai ba ba just we role he in the rule of law he kathada how is it manifesting hi ngan ngai in hi khwang khara the relevant sara khai khwang khara ji ka idung me morality value system phaisa ri ga wijat phaisa ga wijat o masa pa khira masa ro the sa sha the bible li ga social values being hi chung sa ka khai church we roll mare mra ta hi no we wa kan tio no in hangai khwang khara ji ka one example in hangai election ngai ka phaisa ka pong chung ngau je no mya ga ai no ji ba ro khre jan e phaisa ba po re ye po wi di jan a wi ri candidate jan ni u son na ai ba khui ro phaisa ka sa nau ne i jing na ka mring pharam jan a thui khai wi tri na u so pa ding ha ne na khwang phaisa ka sa ni hang khre mai thum ra sai khan la thera din khang an did you see with your own eyes I'm team aga je na lai ke team lao de nan na ji ga ta nan na sat pai ga your nan da ka sat he ba that is unchristian in hang he is to me Christian value against it ara society we pha hai jak si ga rule of law he respect san rule of law have go jang ka he we punishment nei sa ayin sa kai ka imprisonment rate, fine rate, restitution rate, compensation mira. Je system akri. Je in explain sa ren na chemical. Ha, church we role here. Kada the rule of law here, society here, Tangkul society here. Outside the church and inside the church, he hena ka practicing Christian aku value he kada the system he kada the deva. Kathada nurture sarga kathada มาทางสักระจิเที่ยวไม่เคยโน้เอ็นตัวคุณเอาว่ากันหลักยังไง because it is so relevant rule of law เลยจะก็ respect ไม่ได้ค่ะ law respect ไม่ได้ก็ you're not a Christian แต่จีไปอยู่ที่คุยในครั้งนี้ยิ่งเชื่อเลย
Okay. Are we the you ya da hangai ina da hangai da itum we Bibleism the law hi itum limrak liberation bingli unfortunately what happened is that other Old Testament New Testament the khayau da Old Testament hi var mazat na rim nei gijiwi mo ngai na ka sai da rakli itum li khamta log chung ga jang da khle hi ba da kiramak sa idi ma per mane ili per de le gijiwi conscious jiwi khrechi maka khuya khale ko chena itumna recipe nang da phap dak ji bawa ina da hangai da oguthili lo sem da clay constitution sem da clay hili bible we influence kuchung ga jang ji ne ma ada hangai da time cap kuchung ga le hau ga da bible law jang da clay bi hi itu very applicable ma sa ga bai itumni mujina ga bai itumna phap ma da kuchung ga jang ai kham da la kai da ju principles bing hiwa ju principles ku la ga ari itumna laws secular law being hila chui biblical principle ko chunga inspire sa ga originally pesa la ga same ga haine ada hangai da khrinjing rai chai chena worshiping itum I we take really itum worshiping da itum da same ga hai ga leili le da itum da follow sa the rule being hilila biblical principles ngai da itum la thei ga khya shi ga in the rule of law ji itum hi ngak shaprak ji hi thei ku phani ngai mani ka I hear da regime nim na hiwa khiren dam ni da itungwi khuyega there will be always be an excuse for us yang jidi law jo atishuda masa ngai ni excuse ku bai ka khneli itungwi teaching li chung ka khang je hi targa sa le itungwi especially itungwi every church teaching li itungwi church teaching wi li higta wi apong li matha mai da chung mai da teaching sa ka every ojana hang da concern ba ji address sa bai ji de bai da iwi da opinion ne ji
Ari issue question tra le yang ka question bingje issue program resource person arama ji ka thuma ji ku bar laga public discussion le ya reng che da chuwi wang hai me salo jili ang phing room now sai da hangai ari sik jang sai da washroom sing hai le 5 minutes break kui se ya ka 5 minutes issue program here hui laga zatta khlaine ya already late we are running late che da 5 minutes exact break 5 minutes exact hanung milo je hangai yari nak sing ning ka misla ya mai se ya mai lo yari na kya khan da pa milo ning she washroom sing ke jina sing mi laga issue topic hi aju topic rule of law hi